Hi everyone, my name is Julianne Albion. I'm very excited to be taking this class with everyone. Very excited to be getting to know the professor and all the students in our class. This is my second half of anatomy physiology, which was my first time taking at this college, so I'm really excited to do this. I've taken online anatomy physiology before, so I'm really excited to see how this works, especially with at-home labs. So that's really cool. I graduated college in 2017 with marketing and psychology, but actually had a change of career path after working for a company that I didn't really want to work for anymore. Then I started to take some prerequisites and do some observation hours in occupational therapy, and I'm proud to say that I will be attending school in New York very, very soon for occupational therapy, so I really have to finish this class. So it's really, really important to me, and occupational therapy is definitely really important. Um, actually, anatomy and physiology, sorry, is very, very important when it comes to occupational therapy. So I'm really, really excited about that. A little fun fact, I have two dogs. Here's one, and the other one's over here, but she's not really in a good spot right now, so we're not gonna take a video of her. But I'm from New York. Shout out to anyone from New York. And if you're not, I also lived in Florida for a little bit of time, so I'm really jealous right now because it's pretty hot there right now. I'm still kind of a little bit chilly over here. So I'm really excited to be taking this class. I'm very excited to start using that APR models and any kind of simulator for the human body. So those things seem really cool, and they definitely are very helpful. So I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait to get to know everyone and learn a little bit about everybody. Um, yeah, I'm really excited. So if anybody wants to talk occupational therapy with me, comment below.